Alright guys, so here we have a Nissan Altima, just some typical haze, nothing crazy, no scratches or nothing. So I could just do a normal 600 with it, but just to get it off really fast, I'll start with the 400 and then finish with the 600. And this side, same thing, just some yellow haziness, nothing too bad, so let's do it. What's up everybody, Brad here with StartWithStrongHeadlights.com, and welcome back to another video. The reason for the title, I did want to go into a little bit more detail on why I titled it like that. So the customer ended up contacting me and wanting to surprise her boyfriend, so she ended up paying for it in advance. She sent me the make and model and the address on where the vehicle was and the color, but she did not tell me the year. And I figured it would probably be pretty easy for me to find. So this is actually the vehicle that I thought I was going to be doing. She said it was a bluish, darkish Nissan Altima. So when I got there, I saw this vehicle and I was just about to start. As you can see, I was already taking the video and everything. And for some reason, I was like, well, let me just double check and make sure. So I took a picture of that vehicle and I sent it to her. I was like, hey, this is the right one, correct? And she immediately called and said, no, that is not the right one. So it was an apartment complex, so there were a few different cars around. She ended up calling her boyfriend and just said, hey, go outside, I got a surprise for you. So he came out and pointed me to the right direction for the right vehicle. So just wanted to explain to you guys that it is extremely important to make sure that you are doing the right car, because I have had instances like this. Luckily they were clarified before I started, so just a little kind of tip for you to make sure you do confirm the right vehicle. So thanks for watching.